Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we will be studying some of the traditional methods of business communications like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. You'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you will use in your professional work. Overall, the goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that will be important to you in the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at OTC, so you can access the digital content for the course through Canvas on the first day of class, and that happens automatically. When you log into our course, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left column over here, especially if this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements and modules and discussion navigation links. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis. Since this is an accelerated summer course, you'll want to check the announcements almost every day. Let's look at the modules page for just a minute. On this page at the very top is the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you'll see the assignments for the course are separated by modules. For example, Module 1 has a list of the assignments, the due dates in the middle column, and then on the right column are the points associated with each of those assignments. Module 2, same thing. Here's the assignments, the due dates, and the points applied. I'll point out that in the discussions, you'll have two due dates. One will be for the initial post, and then the second one will be for the replies, when your replies are due. Please keep in mind that we'll be doing 2 modules every week, so it's very important that you do not get behind. If you get behind, it's going to be very hard for you to catch up. Go back to modules. Should also point out in the course schedule that the dates will change. Most of the initial posts and the discussions are due on a Thursday, and then the replies and the other assignments are due on a Sunday. However, that might change, so please keep a close watch on the due dates, especially at midterm and the end of the semester. The due dates are based on the academic calendar, so they will change occasionally. You'll see also, as you scroll down through here, there are some Connect assignments, like for example, Module 2, 2.4 Connect quiz, and I'll talk more about those in just a minute. OTC policy requires at least one proctored event for the quiz, or for the course. And if you look down through here, you'll see that our proctored event is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. And if you're not familiar with the proctoring requirements, you can scroll up here to this section where it says proctoring, and there's a section in here that explains the proctoring requirements and how to complete the proctored event. The Connect assignments and the quizzes, should have to just click on the link for that quiz, and it will take you to that assignment. If this is your first time, you might be prompted to set up an account. If you are, the account is free, but please use your OTC email address to register for your account, and that way anytime you use Connect, you'll be automatically connected. If you have any questions throughout the semester about the course, you can go up to discussions, scroll all the way at the top, uh, There's a link here for Student Commons. So post your questions about the course to the Student Commons forum. That way, if one of your classmates knows the answer to your question, they may be able to respond to you more quickly than I can. So that's the advantage of using Student Commons for questions about the course. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, then you can email me. Use your OTC email. That's MOFFITTC at otc.edu. And again, please use your OTC email address for any messages that you might send to me, because the filters are set up so that OTC email is often the only message that gets through. If you use some other email address, then I might not get the message. Online office hours are available by request. We use Teams for online office hours. If you go back to the home page, scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the link, Teams BUS 140 online office hours. Just let me know that you'd like to meet online, and we'll arrange a date and time when we can both get together, and that's the link that we use for online office hours. Again, I remind you that this is an accelerated summer program, so that we complete 2 modules every week. So it's very important that you stay current. Go back to modules for just a minute, and I'll show you 2 assignments that require a little extra time, usually. The group assignment here, so you want to be sure to get that done as soon as you can, and we'll arrange groups when we get a little bit closer to the Module 4. The group assignments are in Module 4 and Module 5. The other assignment that takes a little extra time will be down here in Module 13 and 14. That's where you make a presentation. You actually record a video. That takes a little extra time as well. So if you have the opportunity, want to get a little bit ahead, it'd probably be to your advantage to do that when you're completing those 2 assignments. Okay, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.